Hey, this is Buck Bonner with MarineMax Lake Lanier. I am standing on a piece of brand new inventory from the Sea Ray plant. This is a 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, and this is a coupe model. The Sea Ray 320 is arguably probably my favorite model in the Sea Ray lineup, and for many reasons. So as you can see, we're staying on the swim platform here. There is tons of space to walk around, board the boat from the water, or just hang out on this nice hydraulic swim platform. This entire piece of fiberglass here extends down into the water, creates a great atmosphere for hanging out while the family's swimming. It makes it easy to get in and out of the boat as well. Not to mention we have a wonderful setup here for lounging. So here we have a nice big sun pad, which underneath probably is one of my favorite features, which is just additional storage. It's a massive storage trunk. It's a great location to put your lines, your fenders, any additional gear you bring with you during the day, and easy access to it as well. One cool feature about this platform back here is this sun pad has a folding backrest. So if you want a little bit more surface area here to lie out, or if people want to sit with their backs against it here facing, if you're tied up to another boat or something, there's tons of versatility. Also on the platform back here, we'll have our stereo controls, our freshwater sprayer, so everything you would possibly need to enjoy the boat. There's tons more to talk about in the cockpit. Follow me and we'll check it out. Now we're in the cockpit of the 320 Sundancer, and absolutely gorgeous. It's a breathtaking interior. You have this massive wraparound seating area. You also have a dinette table that drops into this position right here. Creates a great area to serve drinks, go for a wine cruise, take a lunch break during the day, and not to mention one of the best well-appointed summer kitchens that I've seen on a boat. On the starboard side here, we have our Kenyan electric grill. We also have a wet bar, great for washing dishes, a little bit of cleaning up the utensils, and then an isotherm refrigerator to store our drinks on the hot days. And one of the most overlooked features, a garbage bin. So everything you would possibly need to serve you and your guests here in the cockpit of the boat. While you do it, you're a part of the group. So we also have a little love seat here by the summer kitchen area, and then a unique feature on this port side, we have a reversible backrest. So we can slide this into the forward position, giving additional space, continuing the stadium seating motif for the wraparound seating. Underneath this massive hardtop, which provides ample shade for this entire area, we also have the opening canvas sunroof option. So with the push of a button and sliding it back, you can give sun to the entire cockpit of the boat. Everyone can enjoy it, and when you're done, if everyone gets hot, you just slide it closed and latch it, and it's very simple. So this boat is powered with twin 6.2 350 horsepower engines, a phenomenal power plant. I like to joke that this boat is a bow rider with yacht-like features, and what I mean by that is a climate controlled cockpit. You have the ability to enclose this entire cockpit, heat and cool it during the summer months or winter, really extend your boating season with some nice heat. Again, I mentioned this was the coupe version, so as you can see, we have full glass on the sides as well as a full windshield, which gives you great visibility, gives you a panoramic view of the lake or the waterway you're on. It's very easy to watch out for other boaters or jet skiers or anything else. Just great awareness of your surroundings. Here at the helm, we're going to have our joystick piloting, which makes docking an absolute breeze. You can rotate this joystick, spin the boat on a dime, maneuver it to the side to side. You don't have to be a captain to manage this vessel. It's super easy, just a little bit of a training class we offer during the captain's orientation, and you're good to go. Here we'll have our upgraded 12-inch Simrad displays. Right now I have it both on chart plotter, but you can change data to engine data, or you can leave it on chart plotter on one, fish finder, anything you want. You can set it up how you'd like to run your instrumentation. This boat also has the upgraded audio system. Probably one of the best audio systems I've heard on a Sea Ray in many years. Comes equipped with a subwoofer and zone control, so you can play loud music on the bow, keep it quiet here in the cockpit, and have a nice conversation, or vice versa. Here on the right side, we'll have the new dynamic running surface, which is the automated trim tabs. Creates a very seamless way to adjust the pitch and roll of the boat as well. So one of my favorite helm stations here. It's just phenomenal. Come with me to check out the bow. It's probably another reason why this boat is so popular. So we've moved up towards the bow of the Sea Ray 320, which is probably my favorite spot on the boat. So as you can see, as opposed to the older model Sundancer series, the new edition provides ample space for seating and safe seating. So you have recessed seating up here with flip down armrests. So you basically have 3 chase loungers facing forward, and you can also adjust these headrests up. So it creates a nice space. It's probably where my family and where the guests normally gravitate towards as I'm driving the boat down the lake. We also have stereo controls, cup holders, everything that you possibly need. And then as we make our way all the way to the bow, we have our access to our windlass. So with the push of a button of this remote right here, we can raise and lower our anchor. This is a 32-foot boat. It's quite heavy, so the ability to push that button to raise and lower just really helps out the back a little bit and makes it super easy. You can also control this from the helm, so you don't need additional people on board if you're going to raise or lower your anchor. Last but not least, the Sea Ray 320 is an overnight boat, so you do have overnight capabilities, or for weekend stays, or if you just want to go have a break and hang out in the AC for a bit. Let's go check out the cabin. So I've made my way into the salon of the 320 Sundancer. Right here, as you can see, we have a very large V berth for a 32. Underneath this filler cushion here, we have a nice wood finish table. There's another pedestal for this table, which creates a great dining area. So if you've been out all day, or the kids want to go get out of the heat for a little bit, they can either come down and watch a movie on our television, or you can come down and serve lunch. Give everyone a little bit of a break from the swimming, and then they can go back up and continue. The boat is designed for the cockpit and the first level, which is the bow and the cockpit. So they have maximized the space up top, but they've put all the essentials down below. They haven't missed anything. So you have sleeping, you have dinette, you have another isotherm refrigerator for additional drinks. You have your microwave, so you can warm up the food at night or something if you just want to do something simple and not have to use your Kenyan electric grill. And then you also have a full head / shower. So again, this boat is an overnighter, so you have everything you would need to go enjoy yourself for the weekend or extended stays on the water. One additional cool feature is they have full functionality of the salon. They use every bit of space they can. So down below they have 2 single berths on either side, or you have the ability to convert this into one massive master. So a lot of the clients that I have that own 320s will pull this together and leave it made up in the master with nice pillows and throw cushions and things like that. If you need it, you can separate it into singles, but it's just another unique way to use this boat. 2 singles or one massive bed for a 32-foot boat. Ton of other cool features that we didn't talk about today. Come out to MarineMax Lake Lanier. I'd love to show the boat to you in person.